Hello there, beautiful people. It's your favorite fashionista here, the Ashley Michelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And on this channel, we discuss all things, both beauty and fashion, in hopes that you might find affordable quality products and most importantly, discover the beauty within. And in today's video, we are doing a very dramatic green fall eyeshadow look for the fall. So without further ado, let's just jump right into today's makeup tutorial. But I did go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera, so if you want to know how I do my eyebrows, definitely make sure that you check out that tutorial. You guys, like, I really am feeling my brows, so that's why I had to just let y'all know that y'all need to get that tutorial, okay, so we can have snatched eyebrows together. But I am going to get a little bit close today. I don't know what I want to call this makeup look that I'm doing today. It's definitely fall related. I am going to be using the color green today and attempting something different for the lips that I haven't done on my channel. So I'm super duper excited about that. I am using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Chestnut to prime my eyelids. I really have been loving this concealer just as a primer and to carve out my eyebrows. And this product is super duper affordable, so definitely make sure that you check out the description box because I am going to link all of the products that I'm using in this video. Eyeshadow brush to blend out the concealer on my eyelids. And I already have my tape applied. You guys, if you are new to my channel and you don't know about the tape, definitely make sure you check out my last fall eyeshadow tutorial that I did because it got really messy in that tutorial, but the tape did save the day. So if you are not on game about the tape, definitely make sure that you check that video out. I am going to link that video to this video because you guys, that always helps save my eyeshadow looks and saves me a lot of time when it comes to cleaning up any eyeshadow fallout. And it also helps if you don't know how to do a winged eyeliner. The tape is definitely going to come in handy, and I am going to show you guys how later on in this video. And I also like using this when I do my eyebrows as well. And if I want to do like kind of like a translucent setting powder for my face, I like to go in with this powder too because I don't actually have a translucent setting powder right now. But I am going to work on that, so y'all definitely link down below some good powders. I am looking to try the Laura Mercier as well as the Mented powders, so definitely link down below, guys, in the comments. Drop me some more powders that you guys use because I'm really trying to up my powder game. Don't get me wrong, I love using NYX. I love using NYX. I've been using this one and the banana powder to set my foundation for forever, but it's time to switch it up. So the first palette I'm going to be using is the Juvia's Place, the Warrior 3 palette. And I'm going to be using this pretty green, what is this? Messiah, I believe that's how you pronounce this one, Messiah. I'm going to use this pretty green. This is going to be the main focus of this eyeshadow look. I'm going to really pack this color on my eyelid. I'm not for sure if I'm going to do a cut crease today. I might not, but we will see. Like, you guys, all I know is I want to use this color. I really did not plan this one out because I just wanted to let my artistic juices flow. I just wanted to flow today. I'm going to use a flat eyeshadow brush to pick up Messiah, and I'm just going to pack that all over my lid in kind of an upside down U shape. And then we're going to diffuse that color a little bit later. But like I said, I wanted this pretty green color to be the focus of the eyeshadow look. So I'm just going to get a little bit closer. And I am going to zoom in on my left side so that way y'all can see what I'm doing. On the eyelid. Oh my goodness, you guys. If you have not tried Juvia's Place eyeshadows, I don't know what you're doing. Like, I don't know what you're really doing. Like, you guys, I know I was late. I know I was late. But I mean, look, do y'all see that color pigmentation? Like, the colors that you see in the palette are definitely the colors that you get. So the reason why I'm packing the eyeshadow on in an upside down U shape is to kind of like create a cut crease look to it without really creating a cut crease. So as y'all can see, I'm following the natural shape of my eyeball, and later on we're gonna diffuse that color out. This is what both of my eyes look like. We're really popping and pigmented with the bright green. So now I'm gonna go into the 35 Fierce by Nature palette, and I'm gonna be using a light fluffy brush. This brush is very, very flexible, so that way we're gonna be able to diffuse the edges of this green, so that way it's not so in your face, but kind of in your face. So I'm gonna be using this brown shade right here. Oops. I'm gonna be using this brown shade right here to diffuse the edges of this green color. And then we are going to have some fun with some glitter. I'm just gonna take this brush and begin to add that color on and lightly go around the outer edge of this foundation, of this eyeshadow. And honestly, I think I might go into my smaller brush because I'm starting to see that it's taken away from my green, and I don't like that. Switch to my smaller eyeshadow brush. This one is still nice and flexible, but it's a lot smaller, so I'm going to be able to actually place my eyeshadow directly where I want it to, because as y'all can see, it started to mess up the green. So we want to make sure we keep our color as much as possible, but I'm still going to blend that out some. And again, the reason why I'm applying it this way, so I can show you guys, you can get that cut crease look without essentially doing a cut crease if you don't really know how to do a cut crease. Take that first brush that I was going to use to actually blend out the brown. And I know y'all probably thinking like, Ashley, what is this about to become? You guys, trust the process. Like, I love coming up here looking all wild and crazy, so that way you all, not wild and crazy, but I like coming up here with the unfinished product, so that way you guys can really see the transformation. Alright, you guys, so this is what both eyes look like with everything blended out. So now I'm going to use some white eyeliner to draw on my wing. I am going to be doing a dramatic wing today with some glitter, so I'm going to create a nice thick wing with this eyeliner. And the reason why I'm using a white eyeliner is because the glitter that I'm using does have some white pigments in it. So just in case if I don't put enough glitter on, at least it'll be a light color underneath instead of a black. And you guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna try my best to do this in the camera because I'm looking in my mirror to do this so that way y'all can see it. Because my eyelashes are very like straight and they get in the way sometimes. They get in the way. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna actually have to draw my wing on off camera because my eyelashes keep getting in the way and I don't want to get no white eyeliner. I don't want to get eyeliner up in my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna come back after I draw both of my wings on. Alright you guys, so this is what my eyeliner is looking like. It did get a little bit messy, but the key is to make sure the eyeliner is thick. The first time I did my little glitter eyeliner, I didn't make my wing thick enough, so this time I definitely made sure I try to make it as thick as possible so that way I can get as much glitter on the eyelid without taking away from the green eyeshadow. But I am going to be using the Fairytail Cosmetics. This is from their glitter set. This is the one that has the gold, white, and yellow specks in it. So I'm going to apply that on my eyelid, and then we are going to come back to do the face. Or should I make the face a separate video? And then I'm going to make the face a separate video, but I am going to use this flat eyeshadow brush to actually pack my glitter on.